Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can make a Tinder account, but before that please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get into it. For that matter, first of all, you have to simply access your Tinder app on your mobile phone. Go ahead, tap on it. Now right over here you can find the first option called create account on top. Go ahead, tap on it, and now simply add in your number. Now tap on this next option. Now you will get a code on your number. Simply have to paste it right over here, and now enter your email. Tap on next. If you would like to connect, you can, otherwise you can skip this part. Tap on I agree for the terms and condition. Enter your first name, enter your date of birth, gender. You can go ahead, choose any, skip it. You can add them manually afterwards as well. Add a picture of yours. So now tap on for them to allow your location, allow while using app. If you would like the notification, you can do so, otherwise you can tap on I'll miss out, and there we go. Now you can simply choose to continue it, and you can start your contacts, or you can simply go back. And there we go, we have successfully created ourselves our Tinder account. We can go to this profile icon in the bottom right and check out profile, tap on the settings icon, and we can add the other information that was skipped beforehand. That is how you can do it. Hope this video was helpful to y'all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.